Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amber Beauty Fashion. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Friends, today video is very great designing ideas, and today I am showing a trendy and gorgeous collection of bodycon dresses. So friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end and you will find all trendy ideas in our videos. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So friends, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Friends, thanks for watching my videos from my channel and you can get ideas. So take care of yourselves. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. We will be right back. Bye bye.